Hello and welcome to the Fix-It Shed. I was just thinking, I can hear my toilet tank filling every once in a while and it just runs for a few seconds and then it stops. So that's usually a pretty good indication that you have water leaking from the tank into the bowl. And that's a fairly simple fix. I went and I grabbed a flapper that I had laying around to replace it and see if that stopped the leak from the tank to the bowl. But when I opened the tank, I saw something that I wasn't expecting. So this tank doesn't have a regular flapper setup like this that I was expecting. It has this cylinder in here, and there's a rubber gasket on the bottom of it. So let's take that out and take a look at it. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to shut the water off. All right, and then I'm going to flush to let the water out. Okay, so to get this cylinder out, we just remove the hose, turn this. It just has these two little tabs on it. So and there's two slots, so it fits into the slot, and then you turn it, and then it's locked in place. Pretty simple. Okay, and then the cylinder comes right off. And this is the rubber ring that needs to be replaced. So I made a trip to the hardware store and I picked up a new gasket for the cylinder, and this was surprisingly like $9 just for this little piece of rubber. You know, the flappers are probably like $5. I looked online, and like on eBay you can pick this up for like maybe $6, but I was at the hardware store, so I just went ahead and picked it up. So this just has a little lip around the edge that the gasket just fits underneath so that it stays in place. There. Okay. All right, so then we just put that back on the shaft. We're gonna click this back in, put the hose back, and turn the water back on. So the tank is finished filling, and you could test the tank to see if it's leaking. Sometimes you could put beet juice. If you put beet juice in the tank, you'll see it leak red into the bowl. Or they do sell dyes that you can put in the tank, and you will see it leak into the bowl that way. I'm just going to wait a couple days and see if I notice the toilet running, because it'll leak a little bit, and then the valve will open up and it'll fill up with water, and you can hear that. So I'll check back with you in a couple days. Okay, it's about a week later and things are looking pretty good. I don't think it's leaking anymore. It hasn't run on its own all week. So we're going to call this a success. And if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe. Thanks. Take care.